Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi Mix Flip, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. Now, with that being said, you can perform this kind of reset in order to get rid of a screen lock if you have one set that you don't know. I don't actually have any kind of screen lock right here, but obviously once you're on a home screen or on a lock screen, you just hold your power button. Keep on holding, ignoring whatever shows up here. And once you see this right here, swipe up to turn off your device. When the phone turns off, hold power button and volume up at the same time. You can let go of the buttons once you see the Mi logo. And as you can see, this takes us to the recovery mode. In here, using volume down, you want to scroll down, like so, to select wipe data. If you passed it already, you can press volume up to also navigate up. Once it's selected, press power button to confirm it, then select wipe all data, confirm that, then select confirm. It only gets like 5%, there we go, and it gives you the message data wipe successfully, so we're going to press power button, power button, power button, and this will now reboot the device and continue resetting it in the background. Now because it is resetting it still in the background, it will take the device a little bit longer to boot back up, so don't worry, this is completely normal. Now I'm gonna let it run through and come back once it's finished. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.